How to make a new user with same phone on Temu app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Temu application from your device and get logged into your Temu account. Then tap on Use section from your bottom bar. Now in order to add a new user, you have to tap on this settings icon on your top right. Here you will see the option of Switch Accounts at the bottom menu. Tap onto it and you will see your default account. Let's go ahead and add a new account. To do that, tap on Add Account. Now tap on Continue with Google, or you can also continue with the Facebook, email address, or phone number. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and tap on Continue with Google. As you do so, it will give you an option to choose from all the Google accounts that you have in your device. You have to choose the email address that you have chose to register with your Temu account. And just like so, as you can see that my account has just been switched. If you would like to get your account back, tap on the settings icon again, tap on to Switch Accounts, then you will see two accounts. In case you would like to switch to this account from this first account, just tap on the second account and it will just like that be switched. And that way you can do the same as well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please consider liking and subscribing to our channel.